And then lastly, I just wanted to tell you, I was looking into stuff online about nails, and yeah, with menopause, I think I told you this, it does affect your nails. And I was, watching some people to learn about a different thing I can do, because I did everything. I used alcohol. I just did everything possible to wrap my nails, and they still come. Just now I was doing my hair, and I don't know if you could tell, you see, but this just chipped off. It lifted. It just all lifted right here. I don't know if you can tell. It just all lifted right there. I did it on Saturday. No, Friday. And all I've been doing is putting glue on my nails for days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, today. Just putting glue on my nails because it keeps lifting. And, it used to really work for me before. So I found out, and I used alcohol. I found out that sometimes women's nails produce oil. That's why they Dremel or they buff it out. I even tried, I cleaned it with alcohol, and I even buffed out not the tips, but the base of the nail. And just the tips are just all coming off. I wash my hands, it lifts. Whatever, do my hair, it lifts. Whatever. Very, very frustrating. So, with menopause, your nails change. You could overproduce oil on your nails. And I think that is my case, because it won't stay. And I noticed that I heard once that if your nails overproduce oil, they tend to peel. And my nails are starting to peel, where, that never happened before, except maybe on like one nail. This nail is my only brittle nail, and it's starting to chip. It's starting to crack straight down the middle. As I get older, they say your nails get brittle, but mine I think are overproducing oil. I just looked into, instead of using the China silk and the gel cure, looked into fiberglass with resin. And then you have the resin set. So I'm going to try that, see if that helps, because I really like having, decent nails, and my nails have been short for so long. So it's very frustrating. But anyway, just wanted to tell you that. So, so I will see you next week. Like I said, supposedly this collection is hitting Walgreens now. I haven't seen it at mine. And it's supposedly going on the website, and I really hope it does, because I want to use my PayPal. So I just wanted to let you know that I saw some pictures on Trend Mood 1 on Instagram, and then it's called Wet n Wild X Pac-Man. So if you put hashtag that on Instagram, some people have already put up the pictures of it and whatnot. So next week I'll continue. I'll try the other nude colors I didn't use with the lipsticks that I bought, and this collection is seriously impressive, except for the foundation. It could just be the brush. This Believe Beauty, the lipstick feels wonderful. Just the little disappointment is that the glosses are kind of sheer, although last week it did darken my liquid lipstick, and this week it did lighten my lipstick. So, I mean, they still work. So, right now my lips feel great. And, so I'll probably continue with the nude, and then the red lipstick I bought. And, because Plum Royale was the color of that lipstick that I was using. So, love you all. Take care. Mwah.